I can't really play any of the audio because I had the radio on and I don't want to get any copyright checks. But in this video, you just watched me almost get hit head on twice in a row at the same intersection. And I can't express how upset that made me. Let's see it again. I knew something was up right here. You see the guy in his left-hand lane facing me with no blinker on? That's a left turn only lane. I knew he was going to try and go straight through it, and of course, yeah, he does. Nearly coming straight at me here. So you see the stop line there that I'm supposed to come up to. He's clearly driven over it. Then the guy behind him does the same thing. I was so angry that I almost got hit head on twice in one intersection, and I just gave this guy a blast on my horn.